Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy beginner's tips that all owners should know. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and the first steps I want to show you is activating assistant menu. You can go to your setting and then you have to open the accessibility setting. In the setting, you need to scroll down until you find the interaction and dexterity. And here you'll be able to activate the assistant menu. You can click on the circle button to activate the assistant menu. And this is how the assistant menu looks like. You can tap on this menu to get quick access to some menus in your Samsung Galaxy phone. As you can see, you can take screenshot and you can also go to the power up menu, and it's up to you. And the second one, I'm going to show you the edge panel feature. You can go back to the main setting and then you have to go to the display setting. Click on display setting and scroll down until you find the edge panel. Activate this feature, and after you have activated this feature, you will be able to get a quick access to some important applications in your Samsung Galaxy phone. You just need to swipe left like this and you will get quick access to some application. You will be able to edit this application as well if you want. You can edit it right here. Alright, and the third tips I would like to show to you is full screen gesture. You can go to your setting and you can enable the full screen gesture, or you can remove the navigation bar. So you can go to the display menu again and then you are going to select navigation bar. And here you'll be able to customize your navigation bar. If you want to get full screen gesture or if you want to remove your navigation bar, you can select this one, swap gestures, and then your screen will look like this. Okay, and the last tips I'm going to show to you is adding widget to our home screen. This is my home screen, and as you can see, I have added some widgets to this home screen. I have added weather widget and the Google search bar widget. And to make your widget more functional, I recommend you to add the chat widget. To add the widget, you can tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen and the screen will look like this, and you have to select widget. And I recommend you to add the WhatsApp widget to get quick access to the WhatsApp. Okay, and anytime you want to read message from your WhatsApp, you don't need to open it, you just need to check it on your WhatsApp widget like this. Alright guys, and that's all of the Samsung Galaxy beginners tips that all owners should know. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.